So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 Slack channels to follow if you're interested in UX. And then at the end, I'm also gonna share the Slack channels that I follow so that you can come join me there and we can learn more together. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Surya, UX designer who is obsessed with color and accessibility. And people are always asking me, Surya, where can I find groups and communities to learn more about UX? Well, that is what this video is about today. So stay tuned for the goodies. So when we think about learning and we're thinking about UX, we always want to remember that perspectives are important, right? So there are a couple of places that you wouldn't traditionally think to look for communities, but there are tons and it is booming. So what I'm talking about are Slack channels. Slack came into the world, burst onto our scenes as a messaging component just for businesses, pretty much. It was a way to get to your coworkers quicker rather than trying to trudge through all your emails, because you know emails are where things go to die these days. So Slack channels were born and people use Slack channels in every industry. But in tech, Slack is especially special because we now use Slack channels to help each other grow, learn, and discover more about each other in this space, because you never know everything. There's always more to learn, and that's the special part about UX. There is more to learn, more to do. So let's talk about these channels. So first up, we have Designer Hangout. This is a Slack channel that is boasting more than 100,000 plus designers and developers in this community, really focused on camaraderie and friendship and things about that nature. So it's an invite-only out-of-network Slack channel for designers and researchers to discuss trends, give advice, share stories, uncover insights, and all this I'm reading about. All of this I'm reading from their About page, so you can definitely go on there and check it out. Don't worry, in the chat of this video, I will put all of the resources so that you can take you right there and you can go ahead and sign up for these channels right from this video. So yeah, you can request an invite and they have things like Q&As, job boards, local events, newsletters, mentorships, because I know a lot of you are really interested in mentorship opportunities to really kind of get your feet wet in this UX world so that you can really just learn and grow and absorb so much while you're, on your journey to maybe that full-time position. The second channel I have is called Mind the Product. This one is a little bit different than the first, as it's more of a sounding board. So you can go in there with a design dilemma and really ask questions. A plus about their site is that they say that there are tons of project managers in their channel. So, as always, if you're looking for a position, these are great places to look for positions because the professionals are in these channels talking with you, learning about you, building a rapport with you. And this channel boasts over 10,000 users. That is a lot of opportunities just sitting in a Slack channel. So if you have time, definitely check it out. Mind the Product. I like the name too. All right, the third channel we're talking about is Online Geniuses. This one has tech professionals from Google, Amazon, Facebook, all of the big tech companies just running through the chat. It's a large group of over 16,000 plus designers, developers, and UX professionals. And for this one to sign up, it's free. It's free, but they would ask for a $25 donation or payment for you to get instant access. If you don't want to do that, that's fine, but the wait can be up to a month. So if you're not prepared to wait, if you want access now, I would consider paying this $25 per month, because think about what you're getting. You're getting access to large giants in the tech industry for $25, like over 16,000 of them. That's almost free, when you think about it. So it might be beneficial just to pay the fee, bypass the wait time, and get in there and start asking your questions and start building your relationships and communications. Q&A sessions, job boards, directory, talent searches. You can attend bi-weekly insight interviews or insight conversations to talk to to people who are a part of companies like Uber, Red Bull, Petco. Amazing. So when you think about it, this $25, it's a steal when we break it down. Go ahead and stack them chips. UX mastery is to really rid the world of hard to use products and really simplify it for the end user's goal. They write articles, ebooks, product manuals, all the things that are really essential to understanding what UX is and how to really gain a deeper insight about how these theories and procedures really apply to the real world. It's about 6,000 members, and with your email address, you can get instant approval. Just go ahead, type in your email address, and it should send a notification to your email inbox, and then you can just go ahead and get right on in there and start really just getting information and learning about new people and seeing how other people kind of walk through problems. Another one that I have for you is called UXSP. The Slack channel is called UXSP. It's a smaller group, but there is benefit in smaller numbers. It's about 2,800 people on this channel, but that means that you could probably build friendships and mentorships and apprenticeships even quicker because of the small amount of people. This small number is definitely beneficial to really connect on a quicker, more intimate, more authentic basis. On this channel, they really talk about UX theories, really UX ideas. No idea is too silly. All right, let's talk about some bonus communities. Dribble. Have you heard of Dribble? Art-based community that you can find UX professionals on there too. You can see art, you can interact with each other, you can critique each other's work professionally in a respectful manner. More than 600,000 users a month, I believe. It's a huge community, but that also gives you a huge opportunity. So there's the opportunity to meet people from different walks of life. And remember, as we've been saying, that is the main thing about UX. We want to really absorb different perspectives so that we can advocate for it when we are in these boardrooms. So if you have not already, please check out Dribble because it is invaluable to this experience. And along with Dribble, another bonus community that I want to talk about is Behance. So it's along the same lines as Dribble, and it's really just a place to find inspiration too. I use Behance a lot for inspiration, sometimes when I'm just feeling like in a little bit of a design rut and I see all the wonderful work that pops up, and then it really gives me ideas for how to maybe move forward in a project or how to spearhead a new idea that I have forming. So those two bonus communities you really want to check out. If you have not done it before, please, I implore you, they're both free. There's no sign up waits. You can just go ahead and get right on in there. With Dribble, you have to be invited to share your work, but it's free to view. So you can go ahead and just get in on all those goodies right at the door. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you so much. Now I'm going to tell you the communities that I am a part of on Slack. Ideate Labs, Grow Develop It, and Mind the Product. I just put in my application for the design community. Hopefully that comes back and it's a yes. But yeah, you can find me on those channels, and I really think they're great resources and free resources too to connect with professionals in your network to really just bolster that friendship and community of UXers. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another one. But don't forget to check out the resources in the description tab and come on back and chat in the comments because you can always find me there. Thanks again. I'm UX Ray, and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.